What is PDR? It's the art of removing dings, dents, and hail damage without using paint or fillers. Using unique and specially fabricated tools, your dent is removed without harming your custom or factory finish. It's such an effective method. This PDR technique is insurance approved. It's the only repair procedure that maintains your paint finish in original condition. Of course, you'll have to be cautious about who you choose to perform your PDR repair. Not everyone who offers PDR is qualified. Do your research and be cautious who you appoint to work on your vehicle. Our company has established a strong reputation for being the best at what we do. We don't cut corners when it comes to the integrity of your vehicle and, more importantly, the quality of your repair. PDR is fast, affordable, and hassle-free. Contact us today for your free and no-obligated quote. It's not just our job, it's an art.